Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss lines. A line means when we extend a line segment endlessly in both its direction, then it is a line, or we can say there is no end points in a line. When we look at our surroundings, we can see lines in many places. On railroad tracks, or in window pane, or the edges of a desk, or the edges of the screen. These all are always keep a distance, an equal distance, or we can say these are never meet at any point. These types are called parallel. We can say the edges are parallel. So our first thing, that is parallel lines. In lines, first we are going to discuss parallel lines. In real life, while railroad tracks, the edges of sidewalks and markings on streets are all parallels. Here we can see these lines never meet at any point. It's always keep an equal distance. So here you can see two lines, line AB and line CD. When two lines run at an equal distance from each other, they are called parallel lines. These lines never meet each other at any point. Here, when we extend these lines endlessly, these lines never meet any point. In the given figure, these two lines AB and CD are parallel to each other. So these two lines are parallel. We know two lines are parallel or not. We need to check. If you extend that lines, if it is meet at any point, then it is not parallel. It is never meet each other at any point, or we can say it always keep an equal distance. Then that lines are parallel lines. And this statement can be written as AB parallel to CD. We use this symbol, a parallel to parallel symbol, to express parallel. AB parallel to CD. In this picture, we can say this line AB is parallel to CD. What is parallel line? When two lines run at an equal distance from each other, they are called parallel lines. This line, what is the specialty of parallel lines? These lines never meet each other at any point. That type of lines are called parallel lines. Here, this screen, the edges of the screen, these are always keep an equal distance and they never meet at any point. So these types of lines are called parallel lines. Then we need to discuss about intersecting lines. First we discuss about parallel lines. Parallel lines means they never meet at any point. Then intersecting lines, that means they intersect, they meet. Intersecting lines, when two lines cross each other at any point. When two lines cross each other at any point, they are called intersecting lines. The point where they meet is known as the point of intersection. When two lines goes with the same distance, they are called parallel line. They never meet at any point. If the lines meet at any point, then it is called an intersecting line, and the meeting that point is called the point of intersection. When two lines cross each other at any point, they are called intersecting lines. The point where they meet is known as the point of intersection. Here you can see lot of examples. Here, these two lines that intersect at any point E. Here, these two lines intersect at E. What is intersecting lines? Intersecting line means when two lines cross each other at any point, then they are called intersecting lines. The point where they meet is known as the point of intersection. And here two lines intersect at a point O. This point is called the point of intersection. When two lines meet at any point, then it is called intersecting lines, then that point is called the point of intersection. And next we need to know about perpendicular lines. When the angle between two intersecting lines forms a right angle, if the intersecting lines form a right angle, they are called perpendicular lines. For example, here you can see one post, electric post, or the signboard. Here the two lines must cross at each other, then they make a right angle, then it is called perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines means, what is perpendicular line? When the angle between two intersecting lines forms a right angle. When two lines intersect and they make a right angle. Right angle means a 90 degree. The angle between the two lines, that is 90 degree, then they are called the perpendicular lines. So first we discuss about parallel lines. Parallel lines means when two lines run at an equal distance from each other, they are called parallel lines. These lines never meet each other at any point. The specialty, that is, these lines never meet each other. They are called a parallel line. When what happens, the lines meet each other, then it is called the intersecting line. When two lines cross each other at a point. Two lines cross each other at a point. Here you can see these two pens are crossed, then that point is called the point of intersection, and if they are cross each other, then we can call it as intersecting lines. Point of intersection, that here two lines intersect at a point O. So this here we can see these two lines meet at point O. So this point is called the point of intersection, or is called the point of intersection. Then when the angle between two intersecting lines forms a right angle, they are called perpendicular line. When two lines cross each other and they make an angle 90 degree, then it is called perpendicular lines. For example, when we look at the signboard or the cross symbol or an electric post, these are the examples. Today we discuss, first we discuss perpendicular line, parallel line, and intersecting lines and point of intersection. Parallel line means they never meet each other. They are always keep a same distance each other, that is called parallel lines. Then intersecting lines, when two lines cross each other, then it is called intersecting line, and that point is called point of intersection. Then perpendicular line, when two lines meet each other and they make an right angle, then it is called perpendicular line. Homework question, let us try 3.3. question number 6 is the homework. Question number 6, write in your textbook. See you in the next class. Thank you.